Hey, for the next 2 weeks, we're going to be converting measurements from one kind of measurement to another. And I've got a really easy way to show you how to do just about everything. It's called the cancellation method. So, when we've got like 1/3 times 3/8, how I tell you can simplify before you multiply, those cancel out. Upstairs and downstairs, they cancel out. And then you just take what's left to get your answer, right? Well, that's what we're going to do with the conversion method, with the cancellation method. So let's say they want to know how many inches are in 8 yards. We start with what they give you. Always start, that's not going to be a good 8. Start with what they give you, which is the 8 yards. I'm just going to put a Y because of the space I got here. So I got 8 yards. I can put it over 1. That's the same thing. Now we want upstairs and downstairs. So this Y has to cancel out with this Y. Well, what do we know about yards? I know there's 3 feet. Tells you up here, 3 feet and 1 yard. Well, that's not what they wanted. They want inches. So I'm going to put feet down here. I think I'm going sideways. And what do I know about feet? There's 12 inches. So now you can see what we have left. We're going to take 8 times 3 times 12, and it'll give us the answer to our question in inches, which is what they want. The secret word is watermelon. All right, on this next one, I've lost the question, but let's say they want to know how many ounces are in 1 gallon. Well, we've got 1 gallon. Okay, we'll just put it over 1. It tells us that there's 4 quarts in a gallon. Well, I've got to put the G downstairs because it's upstairs here. I got 4 quarts. But that's not what we wanted in. We wanted it in ounces. So now we're going to have 1 quart is 2 pints. So now we got to put a P over here. And that's going to be 2 cups. Well, in the interest of space, let's say we're just trying to go from gallons to cups. Didn't circle it very well. So now we go back and we see that we've got 1 times 4 times 2 times 2, and that'll tell us how many cups are in 1 gallon. And then the easiest one, 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. But what if they tell us something like 2.5 tons? Well, if we use our cancellation method, 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So we're just going to multiply 2.5 times 2,000 to get our answer. And that's really all there is to it. You take what they give you, you cancel it out all the way until you get to what you want, and then you just do the math all the way. Thanks. Bye.